This is the Minty Fresh Matlock from the package Nigby sent me. I like this green color. This is a nice lock. I hadn't really seen any matlocks in America, and Nigby sent me this one. So let's see what it takes. I'm going to use 50 thousandths cobra interference pry bar and whatever profile this one might be. I'm not sure what to call that. I don't really know. It doesn't quite count as a half diamond, and I don't know if it's exactly a monkey paw. So nothing on one. A little quick on two. Maybe something out of one. 3, 4. Okay. That was number 6, and then number 5. But yeah, that is the, what is it? It is a Matlock 5025.